In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add header and footer on your Microsoft Word document. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, now I have here this document and it is of 2 pages. So if you have multiple pages, you can go ahead and click on view here and then choose side by side as you insert headers and footers. To insert headers and footers, just go ahead and click on insert, and then we have an option to insert header and footer here. So if you go to header and click on it, you realize we have quite a number of styles that you can choose from. You can also go ahead and get more headers from microsoftoffice.com, and we have quite a number of them. So once you have settled or you have decided on the style of the header that you want, go ahead and click on it, and you can see the header will be added on top here, and automatically also we shall have the footer inserted. To edit your header, go ahead and just click on it here, and then just write anything like that. And as you can see, anything you write here will be replicated on all the other pages on the header. You can also customize your headers by making them bold. You can even change the color if you wish this to color red. You can see it will be reflected. If you want to increase the font size, just by making a change on any of them or on one of them, it will be applied across all the pages. And as you can see, here we have the changes applied. Now, if you want to add a text on the footer, you can see the footer has automatically been inserted. Just go ahead and click inside this footer, and here you can also write your text. And you can see it will be also be applied across all the pages. You can also apply your changes here by making them bold. You can also change the font color. You can also increase the font size just as you wish. And by doing this, you'll have successfully inserted your headers and footers on your pages in Microsoft Word document. Now, if I go ahead and change the view, and you can see now, this also applies to all the other pages that I have. My headers and footers have been applied. So that's how you can insert headers and footers on Microsoft Word document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.